Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your PC using Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Before continuing, connect your Xbox controller to your PC using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Make sure your device recognizes the connection. Click the View tab in the top menu and select Big Picture Mode from the drop-down list. This mode is optimized for controller use. Once in Big Picture mode, click Settings. Then select Controller Settings and enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. This ensures full compatibility and responsiveness. Now you are ready to use your Xbox controller with Steam. Open any game and enjoy the seamless control experience. And that is it. You have just connected your Xbox controller to your PC using Steam. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.